Ghost Digger 2020. I'm having a great time editing, but unfortunately my video equipment is crap right now. First ever Hoover Boys type day. You know, if you watch those Hoover Boys, oh wait, they sure find some great items. And up to now, I hadn't had a day like theirs. But this one, yep, this is it. Let's start. We're going to start with the video before I show you images of the items before and after cleaning. Using a couple of different techniques, using the vinegar and peroxide, using Andre's pencils, using a rotary tool, different types of things. But let's go into the video now. This is a Sunday morning with God and a Hoover Boys type day. Ghost Digger 2020, early Sunday morning, coin shooting in the local park. I started off up the hill, worked my way down. I'm a little excited right now. This is a first for me. I'm using the quick shooter here, and I got a target tone that was long. I hate it. I hate when that happens because it more than likely is too big to be a coin. In other words, I'm getting a target like this, a straight target, long line. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. I can't get it going this way, so I'm thinking, oh, it's a piece of pipe. Oh, this is a good one. Where's my plug? See, I'm a ghost digger, so you can't make out where I dug, but I marked it with this. Let's see. Here's my plug. I flipped it over. Look at that. Oh, wait! Oh, wait! Yes, Jesus. Look at that. This is a first for me. Large coin. It's not a quarter. Oh, yeah. And what makes it even more special, there appears to be more in the hole. Very nice old coin spill. I'll clean this up and show it to you later. Oh, yeah. Ghost Digger 2020. Good morning, God. Thank you. All right, that first coin, a 1972 50-cent piece. And the second coin, same hole, 1979 clad quarter. And I'll take it. More to come. All right, same hole. I've covered the plug back up. So that long sound that I originally heard was a nice sized coin spill. Thought it was a piece of aluminum pipe. Okay, I'm going back into the plug. Okay, something else in the hole, a little deeper. Yeah, how about that? That's, oh yeah. Listen, gotta show you this. If I can just get it, please. Don't crumble. Okay. I pulled this out. This is my first time ever actually seeing what the Hoover boys were talking about, that egg-shaped pattern in the mud where the coin was.
I'm hoping you can see the
What?
discoloration. So I thought it was a coin. But what this is, you know, this is that thing, that egg thing. Watch.
Billy, Hoover boys.
See the coin suspended?
Look at that.
And another one next to it. Yes. Okay. There's one. Oh, yeah. And there's another. Yeah. Okay, more to come. Ghost Digger 2020.
End of part 1.